Welcome back, everyone. I welcome you now to the last session, our final session. It's called Artificial Intelligence and the Applied Law, TVB-Cloud project on prevention, detection, and treatment of neurodegenerative diseases, technical, legal, and ethical challenges. And this session is specifically and especially dedicated to issues concerned with the virtual brain cloud. I will now introduce the speakers. So this session will be opened by Professor Petra Ritter. She both holds a MD and PhD. She is head of the section Brain Simulation at the Department of Neurology with Experimental Neurology of the Berlin Charité Hospital, and also Berlin Institute of Health Johanna Quandt Professor for Brain Simulation. There she leads the Ritter Lab. Professor Ritter is also the project coordinator of the Virtual Brain Cloud, and she will be speaking about, no surprise, the Virtual Brain Cloud, building a reference cloud architecture for integrating health data. This presentation will be followed by the presentation of Dr. Nathan Lee about I'd like a second opinion. How do we regulate digital doctors? Dr. Lee is a senior research associate at the University College London, Institute of Health Informatics. He's working on projects in clinical care and research. He does research, or his research focus is on the role of information systems in supporting healthcare delivery and empowering patients. His presentation will be followed by André Gemünd, who will be presenting on TVB-Cloud secure infrastructure from theory to practice. He's a trained computer scientist and head of data center IT, as well as researcher at Fraunhofer Institute for Algorithms and Scientific Computing. In his work, he focuses on high performance computing, data center technology, cloud infrastructures, and the implementation of security requirements. And the session will be closed by Dr. Angela Bradshaw about TVB-Cloud, ethics, and patient perspective. Dr. Bradshaw works with Alzheimer Europe, and together with us, the University of Vienna, makes sure that the project fulfills its ethical obligations. She received her PhD from the University of Cambridge and was a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Glasgow, where she did research on cardiovascular topics and gene therapy.